Hello, and welcome to Life Upgraded. I hope you're having a great day. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our best content. Today's video covers BMR, what it is, and why you should be using it. Now, let's jump in. BMR stands for Basal Metabolic Rate. To understand BMR, first, you need a basic understanding of total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. Total daily energy expenditure is essentially how many calories your body burns during each day. There are three parts associated with your total daily energy expenditure. First, thermic effects of food. This accounts for about 10%. Second, physical activity. This accounts for about 25 to 35%. And third, BMR, or Basal Metabolic Rate, accounting for about 65 to 75% of your total daily energy expenditure. Basal metabolic rate is simply how many calories your body uses to maintain a normal physiological functions, such as breathing, heart rate, and body temperature regulation. Since BMR is such a large portion of your total daily energy expenditure, it is important to understand for maintaining a healthy weight and metabolic health. There are several online BMR calculators that you can use to estimate your own basal metabolic rate. They will typically take into account your gender, age, height, and weight. This calculation is then used to determine the number of calories needed per day to maintain a healthy weight. Understand that BMR can be affected by other factors such as muscle mass, activity levels, and genetics, so the most accurate way to measure your BMR is through indirect calorimetry in a clinical setting. But to get a starting estimate, an online calculator should do the trick. Next, let's talk about how you can apply this information to your everyday life by first understanding your own BMR. Knowing your BMR can provide a baseline for daily caloric intake. If your caloric intake is less than your BMR, the body will begin to use stored energy such as fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss. On the other hand, if caloric intake is more than BMR, excess calories can be stored as fat, leading to weight gain. Therefore, understanding your BMR can help you manage your daily caloric intake to maintain a healthy weight. In addition to weight management, research has shown that individuals with a low BMR may be more likely to develop metabolic diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. This may be because a low BMR is associated with a reduced ability to burn calories, which can lead to weight gain and the accumulation of excess body fat. Excess body fat, in turn, is a risk factor for metabolic disease. Additionally, a low BMR may be associated with insulin resistance, which can lead to a high blood sugar level and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. A low BMR may also be associated with inflammation, which is a key factor in development of many chronic diseases, including metabolic disease. Overall, while low BMR alone may not cause metabolic disease, it may be an indicator of an increased risk for developing these conditions. To conclude, knowing your BMR can provide a baseline for daily caloric intake, helping individuals manage their weight. Additionally, maintaining a healthy BMR has been linked to various health outcomes, making it an important aspect of overall metabolic health. By understanding and managing your BMR, you can take steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. We'll see you next time.